Hey everyone, echoing. Hey everyone, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Hope you had a great time. So, I've got very dark. So this is going to be my new thing. I'm going to be vlogging for 2023. I'm going to be taking you on all of my adventures, my journeys. There's a lot happening in 2023 with Joico, with Alpha Italia, Lee Stafford Education, and loads more, to be honest. I'm going to be taking you on the journeys, airports, trains, different destinations, backstage, like everything. I want to just do a vlog for 2023. Every week on a Sunday, I'll say, we'll put a video up and it will just take you through my week. Basically, I am going to be away every single week up until May, and then I'm already booked for loads of stuff up until November. So there's loads of stuff that I can bring to you when it comes to me being away, in the salon, in here, doing different bits. So I put a little poll out on the community tab to say, does anybody really want to see me do any like vlogs, or want to see what I get up to other than hair on this channel? And people said yeah. So it's still going to be hair, there's still going to be a story behind it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy these vlogs, me taking this camera all around with me to take you through what I get up to behind the scenes of everything. I'll take you through, I suppose, some business things as well when it comes to like what we do in the salon. With my team, if they want to come on here, they can say a little sort of hello, introduce themselves. I've done vlogs in the past, but I know I've got to be a bit more consistent with them. But I've done vlogs in the past and they get minimal views. You just want to see me doing hair, and I totally get that. But I think with this, I just need to be consistent with it, and then it will just build up, and we'll go from there. But yeah, I don't even if one of you watched, you'll get to see what I do when I'm not in the studio or on Instagram. So yeah, looking forward to it. I can't wait. It's a busy year, really busy year, really exciting year. That's the word, for education, everything really. And I already start off this week heading to Manchester for the guys with Alan Howard, Alpha Italia. I'm going to be doing some bits up there, and then the following week I'm in Helmond, and then the following week I'm in Helmond again, I think. And yeah, rather than me just being in the studio doing hair, just to get to know you, or you get to know me a little bit more, what I get up to. So let me know in the comments down below, what would you like to see on the vlogs? Would you like to see more, I don't know, what I have for breakfast? Or would you rather just see what I do behind the scenes when I'm doing hair? So let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know. And I'm going to be bringing you a vlog every single week. So every Sunday, it'll be Vlog Sunday, I suppose. Although I'm going to be, yeah, it'll have to be. It'll be Vlog Sunday. I was going to say I'm going to be travelling most Sundays, but I'll just have to get it edited on the Saturday night. Why not? I think I will. So yeah, something I want to do, bring it to you, looking forward to it. Any recommendations, just let me know down below, and I'll take on the adventures with me, the adventures of a hairdresser in 2023. Thank you so much for all the support that you've given me over the past 2 and a bit years doing this. About to hit 100k subscribers, which is mad. Can't wait to get the plaque. Where should I put the plaque? Should I put it there? Because then every sort of talking head video it'll be there, and then every time I do like a head sheet, it'll be there. I think I'm going to put it there. Yeah, I'll put it there. Can't wait to get it. It's really exciting. I was thinking about it this morning, and I was thinking, oh god, like when that arrives, that's one of the biggest achievements of my life, I think. Apart from like opening all the salons and all that, putting all this effort into something that I don't really have to do, but I really enjoy it. And then to get to 100,000 people subscribe to you for what you do, it's mental. Absolutely crazy. So yeah, really looking forward to bringing you these vlogs. So yeah, I've already started vlogging this week. I might put this up just as a bit of a hi. Of what I've been doing, but I have been doing stuff. These two mannequins just here, this might be the thumbnail, just because I'm going to keep it very much hair-like. So here's a mixie, which is a pixie and a mullet, and then this is a butterfly bob. I'm taking those to Manchester with me, and I'll probably take another one as well that I've got. I've just got to do a presentation on my courses that I'm going to be delivering next year for Alpha Italia. So I said it in another video, but you haven't seen it yet. On my community tab on YouTube, there is a link where you click to sign up to a newsletter. every time I am going to be somewhere, I'm going to post it if I'm teaching education somewhere. So if you do want to come, you're more than welcome to come. We can sort stuff out like that. I think that'd be cool, because I'd love to meet, and we're going to do a road trip as well. So we're going to do a road trip in the UK, then maybe Europe, and then maybe America. That's the goal. Landed in Stockport, Manchester, and then the team rang earlier to see if we want to go and watch United game against Bournemouth. So that's where we're going tonight. Going to watch Man United play, Old Trafford. Crazy. But I'm going to go and, what is the time? 20 to 6. So I think we're meeting at, well, I think we'll leave at 6:30, so I'll go and get a beer. The weather's horrific, by the way. So yeah, I'll get some footage on my phone, show the game.
Ensuring, so that there's the mission statement. So ensuring that we are a family, well, I can't ensure we're a family business.
I believe we're going to go further south as well, so that'll be an overnight hopefully, and it's a break for
suppliers. There was also a massive demand, luckily for us, for makeup artists and hairstylists.
So I've had a crazy week so far. I didn't get too much from yesterday's day in Manchester because it was just so full on. There's some little clips. I went and watched Man United play, and then I did 4 talks to the Afro Italia BDMs, all about the Afro Italia courses that are going to be running this year. So I'll make sure that I link them all below, that if you want to come to them, you can join them. But tonight, I had an email when I was just about to go on stage for my final talk yesterday. I got an email from insider.com. It's a New York online news outlet, and they want to know all about the butterfly cut. And the butterfly cut that I did recently was butterfly bangs, but I've done loads of butterfly haircut videos, how-tos. I'll link them all below so you can see them. But I'm just getting ready for an interview with insider.com, and they want to talk all about the butterfly haircut trend and how we did it. And one of the main aspects to doing the haircut are these. And these, when people watch the video, in the comments, they're always asking, where do I get these scissors? So I'll make sure I link them down below as well. I think we're now shipping global. So if you're out in America, that's where a lot of it's coming from. Where do I get those scissors? We can get them shipped out. So yeah, I'm just about to go live, and I'm waiting for Jane from insider.com to come on. But this is, while I'm here, this is my setup for all my videos. So we've got a camera there, got a GoPro there, no, there. There's another camera which sits here, which is just down here at the minute. And then I'm obviously on this camera, and then just there is my overhead shot of my GoPro that sort of gets that there. And then this is the studio. So yeah, I just thought I would show you that as well. But I'm in the salon, just finished a day in here, and we're going to get on with this interview. So pretty exciting. Then tomorrow back in the salon, Saturday back in the salon, and then we're going to prep for next week's vlog, where I'm going to be in Helmond with the Joico team, all of the Joico team, which is going to be crazy. Haven't seen them all, haven't met many of them. There's a lot of new people joining us as well, which is going to be really cool. But it's going to be so good to see everybody. So yeah, it's a busy week, busy start to the year. So I'm going to get this interview done. I'll try and capture a bit so you get to see it, and then we'll see what comes of it.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? I'm so glad it ended up working out.
I know, because we've got another barbershop down here. Have got their own Wi-Fi as well. So I tried to jump on there and it wouldn't connect. But then my salon's upstairs, so it finally came back on. But yeah, we're here.
Well, I'm glad it ended up okay. Thanks for meeting with me. I really appreciate it.
That's okay. Thanks for the email.
Before we get into interview questions, is it all right with you if I record this just so I make sure I have the correct quotes?
Absolutely.
So my first question, just jumping into it, is that the cut, we're basically just talking about the butterfly cut.
Yep.
But the cut appears to be extremely simple. Do you think that it's easy to execute it as it looks?
Well, from a salon stylist, yeah, as long as they understand elevation and over direction, then 100%. Because if you're bringing all that hair up and forward, what you're going to start to create is that shape of the butterfly symmetry. So if you can master that, then 100%. It's Saturday. We've just finished up. This vlog will be going up tomorrow, which is today, because you're watching it. It's Sunday. So I'm going to be vlogging every single week from Monday to Sunday, and you'll get to see what I get up to. This week has been crazy, but like I said, I feel really rusty when it comes to vlogging, and it's something that I suppose I'll get back in with, to be honest. So I've just jumped on my phone to finish this vlog off. I left my mic in the salon, and I've just finished at the gym. So with the gym, basically for 2 years I've really suffered with a prolapse disc, 2 prolapse discs in my back, and completely wrote me off. And for the past 7 weeks is when I've just literally felt like myself. So I'm getting back on it, getting back in it, and yeah, I'm going to explain what all these vlogs are going to be about in next week's vlog. So yeah, signing out after hitting the gym on Sunday. I'm going to go and edit this now and get it all together for you. So I'll see you next week.